Yes, Antilinda, mwachita bwino kundifunsa. Ineyo kaya muli connected inuyo kwambiri ndi government of Malawi, that is not my concern. But you should know kuti ineyo I'm a patriotic citizen of Malawi and I'm the leader of Malawians in Israel. So if you are connected, you are well and good, you are from Malawi, I mean, it's obvious that you should be connected, but I am connected as well. Yeah. So for the spreading of your name in a sinapangeko spread zina lanu, you can bring the evidence kuti mwina napanga uje. Bring the evidence, my sister. Sinapangeko spread zina la muntu. In fact, I don't know you. You don't know me, I don't know you. So I haven't spread any name of anybody. But what you have told me in your VN is that you are connected very well. Well and good, you are connected. But if you talk of the issue of manpower and whatever, we have received complaints that a manpower kandi company yanu kandi yandani or whether you are connected arandrama kwa anthu kuti akubwera kuno ku Israel. Anthuwo amanpower amauza anthu kuti akubwera kuno ku Israel anthu aja. So no, ku Israel kuno anthu aja sakubwera iyayi. Angouzidwa because. So ineyo as one of the patriotic citizens and the leader of Malawians here in Israel, I got concerned. Ndikuyamba kuwafunsa anthu aja munalipira liti ndrama, ena analipira chaka chatha, ena anatere. Ndi anthu aja amandifunsa ine, inu mumaziwa za Israel diru. Kodi diru imene yikuti bwanji ndinauza diru ya ku Israel inayima. There's no diru kunoko. Kumafamuko amatawa anthu aja, so there's no diru. Pakali pano kuli diru ya nurses ndi caregivers, koma government has not yet endorsed it. Even agency iliyonse ku Malawi sinapasidwe. Ndechomwe nimauza ine anthu onchakuti ngati kuli agency iliyonse ku Malawiko, kandi manpower, kandi koheni, kandi rusuwiro, kaya ndi chani, kandi edo, ngati akutumiza anthu ku Dubai, ku Oman, kuti amene wowo musayimbe mlandu, ndipo mwina kapena amapanga zimene zozo. Koma akangopanga touch Israel akukuna mizani. Chifukwa ine nditi pamphika pa Israel ndikudziwa information holistic. Kuchokera kandi kuboma komweko mukuti muli connected iko, ineso I'm very connected kumene koko, and in fact they know me. They know the whole me and they know what I can manage to do. I'm a very straightforward and patriotic citizen of Malawi, Antilinda. Nditu. So if you are sending people to Israel, you are telling that you are sending people to Israel, you are a scammer, my friend. You cannot prove it. In fact, the government of Malawi, you are talking kuti uli now connected ukoza kungozika pa mavuto, because the government of Malawi, I know they are not thieves. So this manpower agency ukunena uchanchani kapena mkamapitumiza anthu ku Dubai ndi kwinako, it is okay. But if you are saying that you are collecting money, sending people to Israel, you are a scammer. And you are saying that I'm talking nonsense. You are talking bullshit, because you are stealing from people. And from now on, delete my number from your line. You cannot be my friend if you are stealing from people, unless you bring evidence to me kuti iweyo umarandira anthu ndalama unapezerapo ntchito anthu 1 2 3 4 kuno ku Israel. Koma government has not endorsed a new deal. The previous deal got sour. So where are you sending those people? And ndrama mwarandira kuchoka nthawi manager anthu aja simunatumize chifukwa chani? Next time uzaganize kaye kwambiri usanandilembere uje message yanga, because you will not like me what I will do. Antilinda, mukale ndi mazuru abwino. Zikoma.
Mr. Chipeta, out of everything that I've said on the VN, it's about me being connected, right? Okay, ndakupa ngani ma screenshot anthu amene anditumizira, like you took a screenshot with my name on it, with my number on it, mukwauza anthu zokuti ineyo ndine wa manpower and ngati andipatsa ndalama ndokuti apangidwa scam. Anthu amene akukuwuzani zokuti apangidwa scam anapatsa zingati manpower? If we have to ask. You have to be talking facts on the ground, not zinthu zoti mungomva makutu mwanu, and then you start spreading things which you don't even know what's going on. And to banga register, no one was forced into using. But group aja, maybe even like I can say email as a candidate, I've noticed good manpower drama what never. From the beginning, and to anene zokuti anyamugalitiro. Mr. Vacancy yaruga umwe January umwe. Anene zokuti first phase is May and June. May da Mr. Damu yambaliroli. So which people are they complaining to you that they have paid and they're not going? Which people? Because first of all, timalipira medical fee. Medical fee meneyo ndio kuda kuti akwene adipange my medical certificates. And akudzo anthu aku Dubai kunogo, we cannot have my visa without any medical checkups. So he still needs to make that deal for us. Could adipange my medical certificate, then he can apply for us my visa at the end of the process. Tinalipira ndrama imene ijayo, knowing what the use of that money. You get it? Kufunika police clearance, and when you're obtaining an Israeli visa of kuti employment, you don't just apply. You need a lot of things, and I think and which money again did we pay for career fee? Nalipira kusovogo. It's per candidate. Everyone is supposed to pay 210, of which is $107. Kuti my documents had ma offer letter and contracts. I went from Israel to Malawi. To Malawi, I went to my lawyer, my notary. You get it? And then I went to here in Dubai. You just don't go by social media. You start talking and to move process more. You don't even know what's going on. You just took a screenshot with my name on it, with my number on it, and making fun of me on your group like that. I don't take nonsense, Ndukuzin. If you want to spread about manpower, keep me out of it, Ndukuzi. I don't care who you are, good in president, that are Israeli, in whatever. I don't care. Because that number you posted on your group, it's my number. If you have to say, you've never met me. Yes, I don't know you, but how would you take my number and say, "Guru, you manpower"? Do you see, "Guru, ninaja ko ndama za manpower ne?" I don't take nonsense. If you want to bring someone down, don't drag my name in it in any way. Don't drag me, because you have no proof that I'm involved with manpower. I'm just there helping people. And if people are being negative, no one is forcing anybody, because no one forced me to pay. I also paid my money. I'm also giving out my money, if you don't know. I'm not doing these things for free. So if you want to be negative without dragging my name on it. Let me tell you that.